Alright, here are several different tools that I use, and I'm going to show these. These are dies. This is a die holder. This is another die holder for round dies. Some of them are round, some of them are hexagon. This is a tap holder. This is for taps that are fairly large with this sort of square type top on. This is another tap holder. The way this one works, this one can hold very big taps, but the way this one works is you unscrew this and then unscrew this, and these two jaws come apart. Then here's different taps that I can use on this particular project. These are easy. Now we come down here. These are easy outs. This one is already in the package, and it did come with a tap. One of these taps over here probably is it. And here's the smallest easy out. Okay, here's this easy out. This is one of the smallest easy outs they make. You're going to have to tap it a little bit. And then take your adjustable wrench, try to get it out. Okay, it looks like it's turning. There you go. So that's the broken off part. Here's the broken off part. You're going to have to turn this to get this remainder of this brass piece out. You have to turn, first of all, tighten it in your vise. Now, just like you're trying to turn it in for a normal screw, just turn it like that. Then the little brass piece comes out. Right there. Now we'll see if this threads in. This one is steel. I found it at TSC, Tractor Supply Company. Now make sure it threads in fine. Okay. Now remember to not tighten it so tight. I did not put any thread locker or caulking or anything like that on it. Or thread sealant. Now these cost about $6 to $8. Kind of expensive for 5 pieces, but anyway, got that taken care of. Alright, now we're going to put this back together. Okay, put this back in. Okay, now we're going to take this whole assembly, take it back over to our disc. Okay, put these carriage bolts back in. These bigger bolts, 3/4 of an inch. Okay, if you have to go over pavement or stones or cement, something like that, you're going to take the edge off of your coulters. So just remember that. They have a type of hitch that's made for lawnmowers, and it can raise this thing up if you have to go over some of those really hard substances. Okay, now for this hitch, we're going to have to measure down to the concrete. Now measure between these two tongues right here. Three and a half. All right, now we're gonna put it on there somehow. And I believe it's gonna have to go like this. That looks about right. So I got this bottom part of it, I've got it up against the hitch part of this hitch right here. Now I got to measure, see how long my tube is going to have to be. I'm going to have to make a tube. Now we got to find a couple washers. Okay, now this is what I've got here. What is going to happen is this is going to go on first, and then this will go in there somewhere, and this one will go on next. And I believe that there's going to be a hitch part that goes in here somewhere. I believe it's going to go in here, and then this will go up against that, and then this will go in there, and a washer on the bottom and a nut. So we'll see how it works. I may have to cut a little bit off of this here, but we'll see. We'll try it. Okay, here's where this pipe comes in right here, and then I've got a washer underneath here so I don't scratch up the paint, and then I've got a washer on top and a washer on the bottom and a nut. So now I'm going to tighten it. Okay, I don't really like this setup because I got this all tight, and I want it to be somewhat loose, because if you go over a bump, it's just going to ride right over the dirt. I want it to move a little bit like this. So we'll see how that works.